Yeah, welcome everyone to today's episode of WordPress website development series. So today I am going to show you how to install WordPress now using cpanel. Okay, cpanel is the same everywhere. So I'm going to use Namecheap to demonstrate this. So since if you have gotten your hosting account, you've registered your domain, all you have to do is go straight to where you bought your hosting account, log in. I am logged in already. Once you pay for your hosting account, you'll be given access to cpanel. All right. So now I am logged in. It is the same in every cpanel. So once you log in, you'll be here just like this. So all you have to do is go to this hosting list, not domain list. Domain list gives you a list of domain that you bought with this account. But remember, we bought domain separately and we bought hosting separately. So here I'm going to click on hosting list. Once I click on hosting list, this opens up. So I will go to cpanel, then I will allow it to load up. So I'm going to do something quickly once this cpanel loads up. If you just bought a fresh if you paid for a fresh hosting and you've linked your domain name to your hosting, you may not have to do this. I'm doing this because I already have multiple websites on this hosting. Okay, I have about 3 websites here. So before I can be able to install WordPress, I'm going to create something called directory or folder. I'm going to go to file manager. You don't have to do this unless you have already installed WordPress. Okay, then you have to do this. So I'm going to go to File Manager. I need to open up File Manager. Now, these are the list of the websites I have here. Caliber Mining, Job Bucket, and one other. Where is it? Yeah, Central Courier Delivery. So I want to use this Job Bucket. So I'm going to simply come here. Inside this Job Bucket, I'll create a folder. Click here. Now, I'll call this folder WP lesson. Let me write it together. Okay. Now click on click folder, create folder. So let me look for it. Do I have it here? Okay, look at it here. It has been created. Remember, take note of what we created. WP lesson. That's all I need to do here. So I'll have to get off from here. Now let's go straight to install WordPress. Okay, remember, once you click on cpanel, it brings you here. Now we are here. All I have to do is just scroll to this WordPress. Click on it. Once you click on it, you allow it to load up. Now we have this interface. Okay, just scroll down, come to this install now, click on install now. All right. Remember, you don't have to do all of these things I'm doing if you just paid for your hosting and you don't have anything in your hosting. Okay, if you just paid for your hosting, you will just have a list of domain names linked to your hosting. Maybe by this time you don't have any, you will most definitely have just one. So that one will be here. So you don't have to do anything. But since I have a list of websites here, I have to click here. Remember, I created my folder here, job bucket. I'll click on job bucket. Now that directory, that's also a folder. So I called it WP lesson. This simply means come to jobbucket.org, look for a folder called WP lesson and install this WordPress inside of it. That is what this means. Look at the path here. Okay. But you don't have to do this. All you have to do is just leave it like this. Don't click on anything. You have your domain name up here. Once you have your domain name up here, that's all you need to do. Then don't even put anything here. Then you go to the next step. All right, what is the name of your website? It is just fill in this information. Let me call this lesson, or let's still call it WP lesson. Okay, site description. This is a demo site. Now you have to put in what the site is all about, the description. This is what you put here. All right. Now we're going to create an admin username. I'll call it admin. Okay, no need to tell you the username because I'll blow it. Then the password, you have to either generate, you need to create a very good strong password. You can generate using this key. You can generate using the key, but I love putting my own password, so I'll simply do so this is it. Then email address, admin email address. You can put any email address you want. Okay, now we've taught you how to create this professional email address, but now you can actually use the one you created, or you use your normal email address. So I need to use because you need all of this to log in. Let me use just this. All right, so this is it. Now the next thing to do is just to copy out your username, your password, copy it, save it somewhere. I'm going to create a document for it. We'll just paste it in here. I'll call it WP lesson details. Okay, I'll now double click on this, come here, paste in my admin. This is my admin username. Then copy out the next one. That is the password. Copy out the password, and I will even save the email too. So once we're here, now password, paste it here, email, that's all. I will now save it because you need it when you want to log in. Now we're done with this. So these other things you can either go on and manage the plugin set and all of that, but then I don't think there is any need for it. Just come down here, click on install. You can, if you need the installation details like what I just entered, I can actually enter my email to get the details instead of saving them somewhere, but it is advisable to save them. So now click on install. Now you have a notification that it might take up to 3 to 4 minutes to finish up the installation. In my experience, it doesn't take that long unless you have bad internet connection. So we're going to wait for it to, all right, this is done successfully. Now, here you see these details. WordPress has been successfully installed at, you see, jobbucket.org/WP lesson. You remember I created it, but your own will be, it has been successfully installed at your domain name. The domain name here is JobBucket. Okay, to be installed at your own domain name. Now this is the link to log in as an admin. Okay, it is very simple. Just the name of your website, then /WP admin. My own is jobbucket.org/WP lesson/WP admin because I created a folder, a directory. Now since you did not create a folder, you just have your website name /WP admin. If you want to log in, that's it.